Good evening, everyone. My name is Keval Pandya. I am a third year student of BPCBA affiliated by Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. Today I am here to give you all a brief introduction about my college, BPCBA. So hold your nerves with excitement and let's get started. When I was in class 12, I was having this task of selecting the best college for my career. I was searching for the parameters like placements, value for money, brand value, faculty, curriculum, co-curricular activities, and finally I found BPCBA. Previously I was having this perception that nothing is perfect in this world, but BPCBA completely changed this perception. It has many qualities which makes it different from any other college. Talking about the management, it is managed by one of the oldest education trust of India, that is Sarva Vidyalaya Kelavani Mandal. It was established in 1919. Talking about our chairman sir, Mr. Vallabhbhai Patel, he started this college after getting inspiration from his father, and with the ideology of providing quality education to each and every student of India, and who wants to contribute to his or her country by his or her learnings. Talking about our principal sir, the main influencer of our college, he was teaching at one of the most prestigious institutes of the country for MBA, which is known as Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, which you popularly known as IIM Ahmedabad. He is known as the expert in the field of economics, and he has written so many books in the field of economics. Talking about our vice principal sir, he has shared his tremendous management experience with all of us time to time through his teaching. Talking about our professors, they are the spinal cord of our college. They all have the expertise of PhD in their respective subjects of business administration. BPCBA has also nurtured me in the terms of practical learnings. It used to organize various industrial visits time to time. It also invites lots of prestigious and prominent business leaders in our college so that we can learn from their business leaders. Talking about myself, I want to follow my passion of business management. I want to found my own company in the field of investment banking, and for that I want to study in a great MBA college, and for that our principal sir has told me that he and college will support me in all the possible manner. Now that itself is a great thing about a college which wants to support their children in every aspect. The college is amazing. The college faculty is also great. They are always very supportive. The students are very cooperative with each other. Now, because of the time constraint, I should restrict myself here, and it's your good decision that you want to join our college, BPCBA, and we want to congratulate you all for getting successful admission in BPCBA, and we are eagerly waiting for you all to come and join BPCBA. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.